Here are a few ideas for healthy snacks that can be included in a child's lunch. 1. Fresh fruit, such as apples, berries, or grapes. 2. Vegetables with a dip, such as carrot sticks or cucumber slices with hummus or ranch dressing. 3. Yogurt or cottage cheese. 4. Hard-boiled eggs. 5. Whole grain crackers or rice cakes with peanut butter or almond butter. 6. Cheese and whole wheat crackers. 7. Trail mix, made with dried fruit, nuts, and seeds. 8. A small salad with a variety of greens and vegetables. 9. Whole grain muffins or banana bread. 10. Smoothie made with yogurt and fresh fruits. It's also a good idea to include a source of protein such as turkey, chicken, tofu, or legumes to keep them full and satisfied.